to understand that to be part of a community, to be part of a congregation, is critical when it comes to prayer. Because unfortunately, most of us can't have 100% kavanah when we pray. Can't have 100% kavanah when we pray. Sometimes we pray, we have kavanah, we feel close to Hashem, we feel like we're on fire. But a good fire, like it's amazing. I love Hashem, I'm connected to Him. I have yirat shamayim, avat shamayim. I remember what I learned, I want to learn more. I understand what I'm saying in the prayer, I want to say it again. You're so deep into the prayer, Tfilat Shmona Esrei, instead of being 6 minutes, it's a half hour. By the way, 6 minutes is not recommended. It should be a little longer. You're not in a race. Imagine, you have a meeting with the king. You're going to hurry him up? Hey, no, tell me what you want. No, come on, king. Tell me what you want. No, you're going to take your time. Your Highness, thank you for doing this. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for meeting me. What do you think of the weather, Your Highness? What do you think of this? You talk to him about everything. You have an opportunity to meet with the King of Kings. You're going to hurry it up for 6 minutes? No, King, I'm busy. Go, go. So first and foremost, we have to understand that our tefillah by ourselves is not always 100%. And Chazal tells us that when our tefillah is not very good, it hits a roadblock in Shamayim. I'm sure you all heard this. Why do we pray with the Minyan? Because Hashem has mercy on us and He knows what His creation is. So He says, at least if you pray with a Minyan, I'm going to take the best piece of each one and make it into one prayer. What is it like? The Rabbi Yaron Luria said this is like, this is Rabbi Bunam of Pshischa. Said, what is this like? This is like comparing giving somebody an old ugly coin as payment, or giving him a bunch of coins that are okay with one ugly coin in it. If you have the one ugly coin that's like almost broken, they'll tell you, do me a favor, give me something else. Give me a different bill. You give sometimes you want to pay somebody and you give them like the crumpled, half-ripped $20. And the guy's like, give me like a regular $20, please. Tape this one, do something. You give me this homeless $20. Give me a regular $20, right? But if you gave the guy a wad of $1,000, and there's a few homeless ones inside that are ripped, that are crumbled, that are this, you think he's going to say, give me different ones? No. Why? Because it's in there. It's part of the whole chavilah. It's part of the package. It's fine. That's our tefillah. That's our tefillah. If it's just you by yourself and your prayer is homeless, Hashem's going to say, give me something else. Do me a favor. Give me something else. I don't want this. But if you're part of a minyan is kosher, not mechalei Shabbat and reshaim. You have at least 10 kosher people in there. Then, my friend, if there's a couple of ones that are not so good, it's okay. We'll let it pass. There's enough good here. I'll take the best piece of each one.